Wait lang. Saglit. Hindi saglit lang. Oh. Good evening. Evening po. Salamat sa sa nanonood. Thank you. Good evening sa kayo. Salamat. Hi, thank you so much. Kumusta? Batawa? Ba't tumatawa? Kape? Tawa ka dyan. Tungtuwa ah. Tungtuwa. Hi, thank you so much sa 8 million. Thank you po. Salamat. Patamsak naman. Can you please give the thumbs up? Salamat. Thumbs up po. Salamat sa, thank you so much sa 8 million in my house. Panis na yata. Ano ba yan? Salamat. Ano po? Thank you so much for the 6 million. What's up po? What's up? Can you please give thumbs up po, guys? Salamat. Pa-thumbs up naman sa dumadaan, please. Thank you so much for the 6 million viewers. Live po from Pilipinas. Bicol, Erosel. Thank you sa thumbs up. Salamat. Salamat po sa thumbs up. Thank you for the 7 million in my house. Salamat sa pagbisita sa aking tintahanan. Ayun. Salamat po. Salamat sa pagbisita. Salamat sa nanonood. Iceford. Hi, Iceford. Hello po. Good evening, Iceford. Where are you from, Iceford? Where are you from? Ganda mo naman, ate. Ah? Sana all maganda. Sa ano lang yan? Sa camera lang. Sa personal hindi. Salamat, Iceford. Taga saan ka, Iceford? Taga saan ka? Ujungan. Saan yun? Saan yung Ujungan? Saan po yung Ujungan? Saan banda? Thank you so much for the 5 million in my house. Salamat. Thank you for the 5 million. I know that you're wrong for me. Good luck na lang, ma'am. Matutulog na ako. Sige lang, Iceford. Salamat sa pagpunta. Good night. Thank you so much. God bless. Sweet dreams. Salamat sa pagbisita. Thank you so much. Thank you for letting me how to live. Burning in my emotion. Knowing me now when I can feel it. And that's my pain. And the love that see me through. Thanks to you. No time, no mercy, no space, no heartache, no comfort in grace can stop me from believing that's my love you found me true. Thanks to you. For making me how to live. Thank you. Can you please give the thumbs up? Pa-thumbs up naman po, please. Salamat sa nanonood, sa silent viewer na 3. Salamat. Mag-comment na kayo para may any tanong. Ano tanong? Na at tang umalis. At nang umalis. At may bumalik. Wala na.
Ganun blank.
May bito.
Ano na pagbalang balang mo.
May biscuit ka pa? Payong Payong ang biscuit, kuya. Ay, salamat, Kuya Gab. Thank you for sa silent viewer na 3. Salamat. Tahimik. Thank you. Silent viewer na isa. Mga busy mga person. Mga busy. Something about you. At kung hindi man dumating sa tinang panahon na ako ay maging. Wait a minute. Kampeng na edit. Hi. Hello, may nag-chat. Ganun. Sino siya? Ang galing niyang gumiling. Oh, yun lang. Paano mo ako nakilala? Gosh. Dali. Thank you for the 3 million viewers. Salamat. Thank you so much.
Maduwal na lang ito.
Sige, balang mo na lang ito sa akin.
Ako lang ang magkapil.
Sige. Thank you for the 3 million. The 3 million in my house. Salamat sa silent viewer. Thank you for the 3 million. Wait lang. Si 3 million. Tamsak naman. Naka naman. Dumating sa ating panahon. Asahan mo hindi ako matanda. Kahit ako nasa'yo. I can sing too. Sing it. Go ahead. You can sing Chip 90. Ang galing niyang Ganon. Matured na ang motor mo. Matured na din ang motor mo. Can you sing Chip 90? Nay, lying, not lying. Yada. Ay, kinuha mo ang pampers. Bit mo. Na lying. Lying. Lying that you can sing. Wait. Wait, I want to sing. Then pin. Yeah, I can't. Pain in my heart. Yeah, I can. Thank you. Can you please give the thumbs up? Thank you so much. I want this. Yeah. How's your day? My day is fine and okay. And I thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Oh, you can't believe. It's better now that I'm here. Ah, okay. You're gone. Talking to myself for reason I should find. Finding out why everything went wrong. Just falling down on my cheeks that I've been trying to hold on. And now I guess it's still gone. I don't know that. I don't know the song. I wanna stay. The stars began to show. Said you care for me. Ano ba yun? No, I know. I'm gone. I don't want to remember the things that used to be, all the things that remind me of you. I don't want to hear the songs we used to sing, 'cause I don't wanna feel the pain in my heart. Oh, charot. I don't wanna feel the pain in my I don't wanna feel the pain in my heart. Charot. I don't want to remember the things it used to do, all the things that reminds me of you. I don't want to hear the songs we used to sing, 'cause I don't wanna feel the pain in my heart. I'm in your heart. Charot. I don't wanna feel the pain in my heart. I don't wanna feel. I don't wanna
Hindi
feel.
na ako nakita.
Arin.
Sinasabi mo ba?
Narin.
Balong ko na sa
Oh, sabi, dapat ko bagay kung may biscuit pa. Sabi mo, duwa na lang. Sabi ko
ayaw
na.
na. At yung duwet na yung daram ko, ganun no?
Duwa din.
Hindi na alam na dito ang ganun na.
Para ay kaya asyat ka na sa'yo.
Ay,
Di ba ito, inhatag lang ito sa ato. Ako ng tita mo. From this moment, life has begun. From this moment, you are the one who understands you. Sarah belong. Ano ba yan? Hirap naman. From this moment, from this moment, all the things I just used to think. Is it true that I regret? Then I told myself I'd always stay the same. Even if you hurt me, I will take the blame. You were only before. I will love you even more. I will keep the pain inside my door. It's enough for me that I've come. Because the heart I have could only want you. I just want you to remember, even if it takes forever. Hold true when all is only me. Ikaw lang at ako. Fingers below. Gab, turog na ka mo, Gab. Only reminds me of how did you know? How did you know? I know that someone like you in my life. I don't want to remember the things I used to do, all the things that you might be. To hear the songs we used to sing, the side of life, the pain. I don't wanna feel pain. I don't want to remember the things we used to say, 'cause I don't wanna feel the pain. Wait lang. Wait lang.